Hi, I'm Bonnie. Welcome to my brick oven lifestyle. Today I want to show you how to use my little creation that I made called a flame starter stick. So my fire starter stick is very simple. I have a little piece of softwood, which I don't often use just for kindling. Always use hardwoods otherwise. So I have just a little piece of that, and then I have just a little piece of newspaper, one piece, and I wrap it. Like so. Twist the ends, make it look kind of like a big firecracker. There's two ways you can do this. You can just plop this in the oven as it is, or you can use your fire starter stick and light the end of it like it's a big firecracker. It depends how low your flame is. I'll go ahead and light this just to show you how that works. And then I just put this right on top of my coals. If I don't get it quite where I want, just use my paddle. And it just lights real quick. And it gives me that instant flame. And then from there, I can just put another piece of wood on that. But that's kind of my way of lighting that fire up real quick. One of my little secrets. That's all there is to it.